Your home should be a place where you can relax without distraction. But in active Coppell neighborhoods, outside noise from traffic, nearby schools, lawn equipment, or community activity can sometimes interrupt that peace. If you've noticed sound traveling through your windows more than you'd like, upgrading to noise-reducing awning windows can make a meaningful difference. Awning windows are already valued for their ventilation and energy efficiency. With the right upgrades, they also become a powerful solution for reducing unwanted outdoor noise in residential properties throughout Coppell. Why windows are a common noise entry point. Sound travels easily through older windows, especially single-pane glass or frames with worn seals. Even small gaps around the edges of a window can allow noise to pass through. In Coppell, where suburban growth and active neighborhoods are part of daily life, minimizing sound intrusion can greatly improve indoor comfort. Replacing outdated windows with modern, noise-reducing awning windows helps block those sound waves before they enter your home. How noise-reducing awning windows work. Modern awning windows can be customized with features designed specifically to reduce sound transmission. Multi-pane glass, double and triple pane glass create insulating layers between panes. These layers disrupt sound vibrations, significantly reducing the amount of noise that reaches your interior spaces. Laminated glass options for enhanced performance. Laminated glass includes a special sound dampening interlayer. This layer absorbs vibrations from outside noise such as passing vehicles or neighborhood activity, making it particularly effective in busier areas of Coppell. Insulated frames. Vinyl and fiberglass frames help dampen vibration better than older aluminum frames. Their insulating properties enhance both sound reduction and energy efficiency. The advantage of awning window design. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. When closed, they create a tight compression seal as the sash presses firmly against the frame. This compression-style closure is one of the reasons awning windows are effective at reducing both air leaks and noise infiltration. With fewer gaps and a secure locking system, they help create a strong barrier between your indoor space and outside sounds. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, and living areas. Noise-reducing awning windows are especially beneficial in areas where quiet matters most. Bedrooms for improved sleep. Home offices for focused productivity. Living rooms for uninterrupted relaxation. Nurseries or children's rooms. By strategically upgrading windows in key areas, Coppell homeowners can transform the atmosphere of their homes. Energy efficiency is an added benefit. Many noise-reducing awning windows also include energy-efficient features such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills. These features reduce heat transfer and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout Coppell's hot summers and cooler winter days. This dual benefit, improved sound control and enhanced energy efficiency, makes awning windows a practical long-term investment. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best sound-reducing glass won't perform properly without expert installation. Precise measurements, proper insulation, and airtight sealing are essential to eliminating small gaps where sound can enter. Professional installers ensure the window is level, square, and securely fitted, maximizing both acoustic performance and durability. A quieter, more comfortable Coppell home. Noise-reducing awning windows provide a balanced solution for homeowners who want fresh air, energy efficiency, and peace and quiet. With multi-pane or laminated glass, insulated frames, and tight compression seals, these windows help create a calm indoor environment, even in active neighborhoods. For Coppell residents seeking a quieter and more comfortable home, upgrading to noise-reducing awning windows is a smart step toward everyday tranquility.